Next, let's talk about AWS Organizations. AWS Organization is a service that allow you to consolidate multiple AWS accounts into an organization that you can centrally manage and govern. It simplifies the management of your AWS resources and enables you to govern your account with fine-grained control. With AWS Organization, you can create an organization, invite other AWS accounts to join, and then organize those accounts into hierarchies that you create. AWS Organization is a service that allow you to consolidate multiple AWS accounts into an organizational structure, which can be used to apply policies and settings to groups of account. AWS Organization allow you to create and manage a hierarchy of account with parent and child accounts. This hierarchy allow you to apply policies and setting at different levels, such as at the organization level or at the individual account level. AWS Organization also provide consolidated billing, which allow you to consolidate billing across all accounts in the organization. Here are some of the core components of the AWS Organization. Root, the top level container of all the accounts that are part of the organization. The root is created automatically when you create an organization unit, a container for accounts that you want to group together for management and governance purpose. You can create organization unit to mirror your organizational structure, such as by department, business unit, or location. Account, an AWS account that is part of your organization. Service control policies, SCP or service control policies that you can apply to organizational unit or accounts to manage permissions and access to AWS services and resources. SCPs act as a guardrail to help you enforce policies for your organization. Tag policies, a policy that you can apply to your organization to help enforce tagging compliance across your accounts. Tag policies enable you to standardize tag across accounts and ensure that resources are properly tagged. Here is a simplified workflow of the AWS organization. Create an organization. First, you need to create an organization from the AWS organization console or using the AWS CLI. Invite accounts to join the organization. You can invite the existing AWS accounts to join your organization. Accounts can accept the invitation using the AWS organization console or CLI. Create OU. You can create the organizational unit or OUs to group accounts together and apply the SCPs or tag policies. Apply policies. You can create and apply the SCPs and tag policies to OUs or accounts to govern access to AWS services and resources. Monitor and manage your organization. You can use AWS organizations to monitor your organization's compliance with policies and manage your accounts centrally. Some practical use case of AWS organizations include consolidating the billing and cost management. AWS organization allow you to consolidate the billing across your accounts, making it easier to track and manage the cost. Let's say if you have multiple AWS accounts in your organization, instead of paying the bill of each individual AWS account, you can create the AWS organization and consolidate the billing of all the AWS accounts and pay in one bill. Centralized governance and compliance. AWS organization provide a centralized way to enforce policies and compliance across your accounts, enabling you to ensure consistent security and governance. Simplified management of large-scale deployments. If you have a large number of AWS accounts, AWS organization can help you manage and organize them more effectively.